can't complain, okay? And I won't, all right? Because this looks good.
Welcome back.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that.
Well, hello there. Happy New Year. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Your girl is technically on vacation, but I had to come back and show you guys this one right here because listen, would you believe me if I say this is not my hair? No leave out and no lace. Hello. It is also sipping slain. Your girl got her wine in the can today. Let me go ahead and crack her open. Ooh. I get my straw because I got my trays in still. Stella. My Invisalign should have been done last month, but I had a little tweaking I wanted to do, so we gotta wait a little bit longer. Now, what I say? Oh yeah, no lace, no leave out. So if you wanna see how I got some edges on my 3-in-1 half wig, make sure you keep on watching, okay? As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you wanna see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from HerGivenHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is a 3-in-1 half wig, and we're going to try to style it with no leave out because I got my cornrows in, and I don't want to take those out. So let's go ahead and see what we can do with this one. Now, you already saw how tight the curls were out the pack. I did go ahead and co-wash mine using my wig shampoo and detangler spray, and this is how she is looking now. It's definitely given kinky curly, very tight curl. So if you want to loosen this up, you may need to go ahead and, you know, blow dry it or put some twists in it, that kind of thing. I'm not going to do that today just because I want big hair, okay? Big hair. It does come with a drawstring, so if you want to wear this unit as a ponytail, you can definitely do that. And you can also wear it as a headband wig. They did send me one of these sleeve scarf things. So you want to wear it like in a little up style, pineapple, whatever you want to do. You can do all that, okay? Like I said, I'm going to do a no leave out style. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Get it on the floor. Get it. Let me, hold up. It's the new year. Ooh, still wet. It's okay. I may have to change my shirt after this and see how she fits on my big old dome as a full wig. Does she stretch? Okay. I can do a little something. That looks rough, but like I told y'all, we're gonna get her together. First, I need to get my curls right. I'm gonna use my 2-for-1, okay, my curl cream and my Nairobi mousse to get my curls together, I think. Let me do a little test strand real quick and see if she will do anything. Ain't no point in me doing this whole head if she ain't gonna do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Not gonna waste my time. Put the curl cream on there. Will she curl? Okay, so this is definitely more of a wig that I like to do my twist outs on. This kinky curly texture doesn't give a lot of curl definition, but it does have curl in there. So I'm not even gonna waste putting a bunch of product on this unit. I'm gonna try to finesse my front. You can see the tracks up in there, but we're gonna try to hide that. We're gonna play around with this and see if we can do something. Bring down the first track. Let me clip up this hair. Okay, so y'all see that I brought down the first track. So I want to split that in half now because I don't want all the hair from the track. This part right here is all personal preference. I just want it to cover the front. Let me just clip back what I don't need. Now I'm going to take this hair, I'm just going to tease up at the root right here. I'm going to start trimming some hair off the ends. I don't want to cut too much off because I want to leave some length in the front. I'm basically making a hairline around this wig. Take your time if you're not comfortable with your scissors. Don't want to cut too much to start with because it could ruin the look immediately. It's gonna look crazy in the beginning, but don't worry, we gonna fix it, okay? Tighten this down. There we go, snug. I'm gonna put some mousse on this hair in the front. I did get some shedding during my co-wash, and I'm still getting some shedding now as I'm styling it, but I do expect that from this texture. The hair is very full and the curls are very tightly curled. Expect the expected, okay? Take that out. Then we gotta get the rest of the hair situated. Add some mousse to my ends, just the ends, not so much the roots. Coil it with my fingers on the end. It's kind of making it look a little, I don't know, I like the look that it's given. Now, to ensure my sides are gonna stay where I want them, I can definitely bobby pin them, but I think I may want to spray it just to give me a certain look. Let me just clip it back. And I'm gonna use some of my melt spray, and I'm gonna put that around the front here. Same over here. I'm just gonna press it down here in the front. Press it down, there we go. Get this one. Pull it down. Let me get my brush. Use my edge brush to bring it forward. Get my edge brush again. Bring this little side piece down. I cannot see this, y'all, so don't judge me until I put my glasses on. Let me cut this little piece. Let me see now. I don't gotta worry about no lace, because I ain't got no lace. That's how we're looking over there. Okay, okay. Let me just part it how I want it to sit. Let me just blow dry the rest on cool. I rock rough and stuff with my afro puff. She's a little slinky in the back. Gotta make sure she even and full all the way around. Let me go ahead and do my makeup real quick, and we're gonna see what the finished look looks like. Ooh, I think she look good. So here is the final look. What we think? I think this came out good. No leave out, a 3-in-1 half wig. Use your spray, make some edges. My natural hairline is jagged anyway, so this does look natural for me. I have not checked online to see if anyone else has done this already, but I'm pretty sure this is not a new technique. So if you've already seen it before, then you know, good for you, okay? But this is my first time trying it for me, and I feel like it came out really cute. I feel like this technique is very safe for my edges because I don't have to worry about glue directly on my hair. I can spray it in the front of my hairline and still get this look. I may be doing my half wigs like this from now on. I do feel like the curly wigs are a lot more forgiving, so you may not be able to use this technique on a straight wig, whether that's natural texture or silky. This is definitely given natural in my opinion. Look at this. Look, okay. I can't complain, okay, and I won't, all right, because this looks good. Now the texture is a lot to work with, so if you don't want to do too much, you can do exactly what I did. Practically nothing. Now I don't know how much this is. Let me check. Kinky hair color natural. So my wig is $269, and they do have Afterpay. Is that new? But I do have a coupon code. Let me go ahead and just add this to my cart, and then I'm gonna see if the coupon works. Okay, so the coupon worked. It took off $25. So my wig after shipping is $256. All right, you can do some things with this one. Wear it as a full wig. Y'all see me. You can wear it as a ponytail, a half wig. You can do a pineapple style with a scarf. You got some looks. Before y'all tell me, I wanna see the pineapple. I do have a headband wig from HerGivenHair that looks quite similar, and I did the pineapple style on that one. So I will link that video down below so you guys can check it out. Will y'all try this? Can y'all try this? Yes, I think you can. Okay, is it beginner friendly? It's more like intermediate because you gotta play with this a little bit, but I think once you get it, you'll be good. Who got a hairline today? Me. I always tell Brittany, aka the Hearts and Cake 90, that I love how full her hairline is, and I know I probably won't ever get there. So yeah, we're gonna fake it. Look, Brittany. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to HerGivenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.